Hello students, in this lecture we will see the disadvantages of file processing system, or before database management system, the system which is used for storing the data is file processing system. So, there are 10 different disadvantages of file processing system: data redundancy, data inconsistency, difficulty in accessing data, data dependence, problem of security, concurrency problem, data isolation, atomicity problem and integrity problem. We will see one by one. What is data redundancy? Redundancy is nothing but the repetition of data. So, same type of data is repeated at the different places. So, that is data redundancy, but due to this data redundancy the access cost is higher, as well as the information is duplicated, it leads to higher storage space also. Second disadvantage is data inconsistency. When data redundancy occurs, data inconsistency occurs. How it is related with each other? So, data is not updated in all files simultaneously. When address of the person changes, it should be reflected in all the places. So, that is data inconsistency, because if we look at the person's address and if that person is available in more than 2 tables or more than 1 table, so if we change the address of a person in one table, that change has to be reflected in the other tables also, then only we can say that the database is consistent. Difficulty in accessing data. On the spot, if the need of some information changes which is not required at the time of designing, then we have to write the various applications or other applications, separate applications program. So, it is difficult to access that data. Integrity problem. Data values must satisfy some consistency constraint. If some constraint change, it is difficult to change the program to support that constraint. So, that is integrity problem. Constraint is nothing but the condition. For example, if I say that a person, if you have voting system, online voting system, so the voters age should not be less than 18, it should be greater than or equal to 18. So, that is the constraint. So, each and every database has to follow that particular condition, and if that constraint change, for example, after some years if the government changes the rule, for example, if government say that instead of 18 now age is 19. So, integrity problems means what? If the requirement changes, it has to be easily done, but in file processing system it is difficult to change that condition at everywhere. Atomicity problem. Due to electrical or mechanical failure, it may happen that transaction is incomplete. For example, if you are sending 50 rupees to your friend's account, then it should be sent to your friend's account, and if mechanical or electrical failure occurs, the condition is either the transaction has to be fully successful or it should be fully unsuccessful. So, that is atomicity problem, and atomicity achievement of this atomicity is difficult in conventional file processing system. Concurrent access anomalies. Many times concurrent access of the same data is possible in nowadays, but that concurrent access in file processing system is not feasible in file processing system. Security problem. Every user does not able to access all data. We can give username and password, but if you want to give access right to specific record, then it is difficult. So, security problem is what? We can give the privileges to particular data, so that the security problem or security increases, but if you want to give the privileges to a specific record, so that is not possible in file processing system. So, in file processing system we can give rights only to entire file, but it is not applicable to a particular record. So, this is not possible in file processing system. Data dependency. Data is stored in many formats like tab, semicolon or comma. If the format is changed, we have to make changes in the application program to process that file. So, if our database is stored in the database, or if the database is stored in the file, and each and every data is separated by tab or semicolon or comma. And if the format change, for example, I have maintained the data separated by tab, and now I am saying that no, tab is not possible here, we have to enter or we have to write comma everywhere to separate the fields. So, if the format changes, we have to make changes in the application program to process that file. So, these are some of the disadvantages of file processing system, and all the disadvantage of this file processing system has been removed in database management system.